we're Western Igbo, in short. The other side is Eastern Igbo.
Okay. Now it's understood. So, in all, they are all Igbo people.
Yes. Why Igbo?
Beautiful people, is your boy. Care is offering you a pharmacy plan with just 450 naira by just dialing. Yes, you can access pharmacy in all the states of Nigeria by just dialing. You can pay for pharmacy plan with trash, your used batteries, plastics, and all right. The Unified Igbo train just landed right here at the Ndokwa-West Local Government Secretariat, and the headquarters is the Qual. Here is Qual, and under the Ndokwa-West Local Government area. All right, like our usual tradition, what we do is we are entering into the communities now to meet notable people that has rich knowledge about the culture and the tradition of the people of Qual, to ascertain from them the similarities they share with the Igbo populace, their culture, language, and traditional rites. We're about to find this. Just join me. This is a train. It's moving non-stop. Thank you. What's your name and where are we?
My name is Chief Obi Ijoma.
Chief Obi Ijoma.
Yes.
Where are we?
When Otabo
Ogbe.
Qual.
All right. We are right here at the Otabo Ogbe Qual in Ndokwa-West Local Government area of Delta State. Thank you, sir. Yes. Thank you for having us here.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's a tradition. What we do is it has become a tradition actually. We move to cities, we move to states, we move to communities that has an affiliation in language, in some cultural practices and tradition with the general Igbo populace across the Niger. Do you have anything to tell us about the Qual people and tradition?
Our tradition is that we have language about, first of all, speaking Noah. That is Noah.
Noah means
welcome.
Okay, you are telling us Noah now.
Yes.
Right. We are at home.
Okay. Another that I'm supposed to tell you is that we will have culture. Our culture will start for January is Osansukwa. Osansukwa. Yes, that is our January. January we will have Osansukwa. Then after January, February, we'll have our own culture day called Ezemo. That is to make that is a festival for our Qual.
Okay. Before let's go over to the traditional stool of the Qual people.
Okay.
What the traditional stool that oversees the affairs, the traditional affairs of the Qual people. Can you tell us the name and also the administrative arms?
The tradition we have at our people here is that we have Inotu.
The Olotu.
Inotu. That is where we have our language, say, Ajay.
Who is an Ajay?
Ajay, we people like our age group, up to down about somewhere about 60 years, culture will have Ajay.
Okay. So, who is the head?
The head of it is, we have another culture of who are above 80 years, called Okwa. That's the group above all the Ajay. And the Notu. That is what we have here.
Okay, the Olotu, is he like the king?
No, Olotu is just like a chief.
Okay, what about because from history we hear that the people of Qual also practice the traditional administration administrative has a cultural traditional administrative that
Well,
the Obaluku.
yes, the word that is we'll have Oparuku, we'll have Okwa, and we'll have Inotu. And that is the tradition we'll have. Then we'll have age group again. That is some of all these youth. We'll have Ndubu. That's our police. That's our police. We'll have that. Ndubu is our police. That is what we'll have.
Okay, all right. Tell us the Quale people. Do they have a migrant story? Did they migrate from somewhere down to this place? Where could that be?
Migrate from Utagbono.
Otabono.
Yes.
Where is that found?
Utagbono is almost about 16 miles from here.
Under which state?
Delta State. From local west. Local government. Migrate from there.
The Otabono. Okay. Having all this, both the language, both the culture and the tradition of the people, it points and it broadens the fact that the people of Quale has a similarity with the Igbos.
We are similar to Igbos, and the languages used in Igbo, we have Noah. We have again Ijekebe.
Jekebe.
That's a big. Where are you going? Then our general language will make. We have Aje. That is the men.
Okay.
Then the women will have some women call, that is, we greet them Otofe. Then we'll have like my wife them Otichakwa. That the meaning of Otichakwa is that. Otichakwa.
Person that makes the bed.
Make the bed. That is the stage of them.
Okay, Otichakwa and Otofe. That is somebody, the person that cooks the soup.
Yes. Then we'll have another, that is the men, like a young boy like this. We greet them Aje too, because the general language was Aje. We'll have, then we'll have them to Oderigo. That is, Oderigo means you what they can write.
Okay, people that can write. Oderigo. Okay, sir, my chief. I want to ask you this. Do you identify as an Igbo man?
Of course, because we have language, the only different from language from Igbo is that it's just small.
Let's say it's understood because the white man and his education has taught us that there is a whole language and there are dialects in those languages.
Yes,
because
yes, there's a dialect in all.
Okay, so because the Asaba man speaks different.
Asaba man, he speaks, but we can hear. Some of them cannot hear our Quale.
Yeah, and
like Igbo people, some of them can hear some of our language, but we ourselves, like Owerri, cannot. Some of them don't hear Owerri, but I myself personally, because I was brought up there, I can hear.
You can hear Owerri. Okay, but the people here cannot hear Owerri.
No, few. That is our main. That is within our indigenous here. Hardly they hear their language.
Well, I was with the youths, and they were speaking. I was hearing everything.
Yeah,
though it was quite different.
Yes, there's a difference. As I told you now, I told you there's a difference between we and Igbo. We're just Western Igbo, in short. The other side is Eastern Igbo.
Okay, okay. Now it's understood. So, in all, they are all Igbo people.
Yes. Why Igbo? Why Igbo? Why Igbo?
It's good to hear this from Qual, from a chief, you know, because
there speaks, we speaks. Only we are not living together, but if the people here who came here to nationalize or to make market and the other thing farming, Igbo people, who they hear my language, then from there, the difference that is how they use their tongue out. That is already, if not, it's a Igbo.